Hey, this is BJ from the 478. I appreciate you tuning into my channel. And today I have a unique product made by Adams that I use on my vehicle to give it that superior shine. Let's check it out. Okay, let's not waste any time, people. So let's dive into it. On my vehicle, I don't use any soap. I use this product called Adams. And what it does is I gave it a bath at first, just washed everything off, and then I ceramic coated it with that product. And so every time that I get ready to wash my car, I don't have to use soap. So I just spray it off, shoot it with some water, spray it off, and I use this detail product. You can find this on your local Amazon, or you can go straight to the Adams website and order their whole kit. And I don't know if you know or ever priced that going somewhere to get your car ceramic coated. It runs you starting out from 800 bucks at certain places, maybe a little bit less, but I don't know how that's gonna work. But the highest I've seen is up to $2,000. And I swear, I've had one done and it did not look as good because I didn't waste any product. That kit came, and I swear I probably had about $200 tied up in the whole detail kit. And I never have to use soap on this car. Anytime I just, you know what I'm saying, want to do a detail on it, I just spray water on it and just wipe it down with a good chamois. It's only as good as the product that you use. So Adams also makes their polishing towels, which I highly recommend you get those as well. Let me show them to you. Gotta have it. Reasoning being, I can't tell if you can see it, but look real close, you see no swirl marks. And when you can see somebody in your paint, that's always a good thing. See, you could even see the oil stains in my driveway, which I just tried to spray off, ain't happening. But anytime you can see that on a factory paint job, that you don't have any swirl marks on it, and I've had this car for going on 5 months, and I never use soap on it, what does that tell you? You need to get that product. It works on your wheels, it works on chrome, it works on aluminum, plastic, whatever you spray it on, glass. And they make all these different type of, leather conditioners, shampoos, glass cleaner. It's a one and all kit. I want to say that one and all kit is like $275 or something like that. But you can get, basically tire shine. You can order whatever you want, or you can get a full kit. But I recommend the ceramic coat, reasoning being that's your livelihood. That's where you start out. Clean this car real good. They also make a surface prep. They actually make a surface prep that comes with that ceramic kit. And what you do is you spray this on first once you wash it. And even when I washed my car, when I first got it, I never put soap on this car since I've owned it. I don't know if they, washed it down or just sprayed it down, but hell, it was dirty when I got it. So, and then I think it got detailed, but I just asked them just to spray the dirt and stuff off from when it got shipped to me. And I was gonna clean it up. So when I picked it up, it was actually dirty. I brought it home and then I washed it, but I never used soap on it. And to get that type of shine out of a product that just took my time applying, it came out flawless to me. And I don't have any swirl marks. So that's the reason I said I recommend you get the polished towels. I want to say that first kit that you purchased from Adams. Actually comes with the polished towels and all that good stuff, but it's always good to have those extra towels. Reason being, if you use your quick detailer, this product here, like the spray on wax, you can actually just spray this on with your car wet, spray it on, and then chamois it off, and then go back with this towel here and just dry it off, and this thing will not scratch your paint, people. If you have any questions about where you can get this stuff, just like I said, just type it in. It's under Adams Detail Kit, and type in their ceramic coats, and you will not be disappointed, people. Keep your money, you know what I'm saying? Save you some money. I don't know what man doesn't like, or woman, taking the time every now and then to make their ride look good. And that's a product you can get for pennies on a dollar and do it yourself and feel good about it. I want to say that that whole kit and the ceramic coat lasts about a year. Like I said, not using soap on this car helped me out so much, because you don't get all the swirl marks and all that good stuff. It's a straight factory paint job that never needs soap again. I appreciate you tuning in. You have any questions you want to ask me, check out some of my other videos. Like, subscribe, share this, and hey, who knows? The next one, I got new parts coming. The next video, I got more stuff getting added onto this car. So you have to stay tuned and just check me out. I appreciate you. Thank you.